Hello, welcome to Karen's English Classroom. Today we're going to learn about something very important in life, money. If you like my channel, please subscribe and press like. So today we're going to learn about money. First, we're going to learn about coins. Then we're going to learn about bills. And the last thing we're going to learn about are ways to pay for things. The first thing we're going to do are coins. Number one is penny. A penny. The value of a penny is not very much money. It's only 1 cent. Can you repeat after me? 1 cent. 1 penny is 1 cent. You need a lot of pennies to buy stuff. So the value is very low. So penny, 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent. The next coin we're going to learn about is nickel. Number 2, nickel. Nickel. 5 cents. 5 cents. 5 cents. 5 cents. So repeat after me, class. Nickel. Nickel. 5 cents. 5 cents. 5 cents. Now this value is not very much either. It's a very low value coin. Number 3 is dime. Dime. 10 cents. 10 cents. 10 cents. 10 cents. So you would need 10 of these to make a $1 bill. Dime, 10 cents, 10 cents. Number 4 is quarter. 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 And 4 of these you can get $1. Quarter is 25 cents. 25 cents. 25 cents. 25 cents. So let's go over these again. Coins. Coins. Repeat after me. Coins. Number 1 is penny. Penny. 1 cent. 1 cent. Number 2 is nickel. Nickel. 5 cents. 5 cents. 5 cents. Number 3, dime. Dime. 10 cents. 10 cents. 10 cents. 10 cents. And the last coin, number 4, is quarter. Quarter. Do you have a quarter? Quarter. 25 cents. 25 cents. 25 cents. 25 cents. Now, class, excellent work. We're going to go over to the bills next. The first bill we're going to talk about is $1. $1. Okay? $1. Can you repeat after me? $1. Now, sometimes, class, people will call this a buck. A buck, you might ask. What is a buck? All right, so a buck okay. So what is that? What is a buck? A buck is slang for $1. So I would say to someone, can I have a buck? Do you have a buck? Can I borrow a buck? And that means this, $1, a buck, $1. Number 2 bill is $5. $5. $5. $5. Can you repeat after me? $5. Number 3, $10. $10. Or we can say, for slang, $10. Do you have $10? Can I borrow $10? Okay, $10, $10. Number 4, $20. $20. Do you have $20? $20. $20. Number 5, $50. Now we're getting into the higher bills. $50. $50. $50. Or $50. And the last one, my favorite, $100. $100. $100. Can you repeat after me? $100. Sometimes people say $100. $100. It's the same thing. Okay? Or $100. $100. And remember, we must put an S on this because it's plural. There's more than one. So instead of a buck, $100 with S. So we must add, okay, for plural. Okay? So plural is bucks. All right, excellent class. So let's practice. $1. $1. $5. $5. $10. $10. $20. $20. $50. $50. $100. $100. A $1 bill? $1. $5. $5. $10. $10. $20. $20. $50. $50. $100. $100. Very good, class. Okay, so we went over the coins, we went over the bills, and now we're going to talk about ways to pay. Now, when you go places, of course, you need to know how you're going to pay. If you're going to pay with cash, you need to have cash. You need to have lots of cash, right? Okay, you need money, you need cash. So this, my friends, this is cash. Okay? Cash or the coins. Okay? All the coins. This is all cash. Okay? Cash. We can pay with a personal check. Okay? In a checkbook from your bank, you write out who it's to, who it's from, write the amount. Okay? Personal check. It's my check, my checking account. So it's a personal check from me to the company, to the store, wherever I'm at, I need to write that check. Number 3, credit card. Okay? Only use your credit card if you have the money in your account to pay for it. You don't want to keep making your credit card higher and higher. MasterCard, Visa, American Express, okay? All of those are credit cards. And then the last one is ATM card, automated teller machine card. You can swipe it. You can go to your bank, get cash, and you can just use it at any store, also like you use a credit card. But this money comes out of your bank immediately. So class, follow along. Ways to pay. Ways to pay. Cash, okay? We've got our cash. Personal check, okay? In our checkbook, we write it out. Credit card, MasterCard, Visa, American Express, or ATM, automated teller machine. Okay, so today, class, we've learned about coins, we've learned about bills, and we've also learned about ways to pay for things. So this is all about money. So please, class, subscribe to my channel and press like. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I hope you learned something today, and please look forward to looking for my channels, and then we'll learn some more English with Karen's English Classroom. Thank you so much.